Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So we are back with another video after a long time. So in this video we will be checking the error. An error occurred while signing failed to sign. SignTool error, no certificates were found that met the given criteria. So this error you might be fixing when you are working with your WinForm application or your Windows application and you are trying to publish that application. So simple cause for this error is the signing certificate is expired or something. So you have to basically go to your solution explorer of your project and right click on that and open the properties. So in the properties you will see these menus and you have to go to your signing menu. This is the exact same thing which is mentioned in the error, like signing tool error. So when you will come here, you will be noticing this checkbox is checked and then your expiration date might be gone. So basically that might have been expired. So one simple thing you can do is you can just disable this checkbox or uncheck this, and then when you will be able to when you will try to publish the application, it will work basically. So the only cause for this problem is the expired certificate. We don't generally need that for anything, so you can simply disable that. That's not gonna cause much problem to you. So that's the thing you can try, and then you will be able to publish the application. Actually I have already published the application, so that's why it is throwing the error. That's it, nothing much. But yeah, your error will be solved when you will be disabling the checkbox and try to publish again. So thank you guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.